Showing a free shipping banner in your WooCommerce store can help you boost your sales and conversions. Since a lot of people love free shipping when they shop online, you could use this technique to your advantage. Using a plugin like YayPricing, you can set up a rule to waive the shipping fee when the user purchases products over a specific amount. As you can see, we configured YayPricing to offer free shipping when the cart contains products worth more than $100 or more than 5 individual products. The next part? Promoting the free shipping deal to all website visitors. Here, you will learn how to create a free shipping banner in WordPress using the Notibar plugin. Welcome to the Ninja Team YouTube channel, where we will make WordPress easy for everyone. For this tutorial, we will be using the premium version of Notibar. The premium version unlocks additional features, including bar rotation, enhanced targeting, preset styling options, and more. If you are just starting out, you can also use the Lite version plugin. We will leave links to both versions in the description below. Once you have installed and activated the Notibar plugin on your website, go to the settings. You can see it on the left-hand side. You will be redirected to the Notibar settings in the WordPress customizer. From there, you can create a new bar. The bar name won't be visible in the front end. It is for administrative purposes only. Here, we will name it Free Shipping Bar. Next, move to the text and let the visitors know you are having a free shipping promotion. Now you can show or hide a button. We recommend enabling the button and adding a link to your shop archive. The next step is to style the newly created bar. You can use the preset palettes if you need a quick way to get started. You can also edit individual elements to suit your preferences. You can also tweak the button position, bar placement, and more in the same settings. Next, we have the display settings. Here, we will configure where this bar should be shown. If you need maximum coverage, the default settings are fine. The next option you need to check is the behavior option. Here, you can tweak how a user can close the bar and the time between closing it and showing it again. 3 is a good number, but if you need to show it always when the user comes back to the website, choose 0. If you also need to schedule this bar, use the option available below. If you are running the free shipping option only for a couple of days, the schedule option will come in handy. You can type the end date in the field, and when the time hits the end date you entered, the bar will be automatically hidden from the website's front end. All the changes you make are visible in the preview. Once you are done with the configuration, publish the changes. You can also create a new bar to promote the free shipping offer when the customer has more than 5 items in their cart. Follow the same steps you have seen in the video earlier. Now, we need to show both bars in the front end. To do that, go to the display options and enable bar rotation. You will see configurations such as rotation interval, pause bar rotation on mouse hover, showing navigation arrows, and rotation order. These are self-explanatory. Tweak it as you like. Now check your website from the front end. You can see the newly created free shipping banner. That's it! This is how you can create a free shipping banner in WordPress using Notibar. Comment down below what you think of this video. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.